Hello everyone, this is Sara from Learn Urdu with Sara. A lot of my students get confused between ko and ki, ka and ke. So these are two different postpossessions. Ko means to or is also used as have and has. Example, मुझको फल पसंद है. मुझको फल पसंद है. I like fruits or fruits are appealing to me. Whereas ka, ke and ki means of. For example, आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Name of you. Name of you means or your name. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? आपकी गाड़ी कहाँ है? आपकी गाड़ी कहाँ है? Follow for more videos and see the description box for the longer videos.